Okay, the next one, big rivet. So I'm actually not sure I've done this as a revolve. I think I've done it before, but let's start with sketch. The origin does not matter. Well, the origin will matter. I want to make sure that this is constrained. I'll start with the line function. And I'm going to start off my origin. And I will draw just, again, half the profile. The arc function. Like to here, and I'll drag this to there, so I've got a closed contour. Make sure I'm in inch. And I'll smart dimension this line as 0.8125. This line is going to be 0.406 divided by 2 is the radius. And then from point to edge, 0.256. And then I think on the drawing I'm missing something here, because this, let's see, this radius is going to be 0.268. And this is kind of okay, but I got to make sure this point and this line are coincident. What's going on? Line point. Okay, there's something else going on here. I think it's this one. It's showing me there's another relation there. Now it let me do it because these are now coincident lines. So I had some other relation in there. So this looks pretty good. The only thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to make this endpoint. It really doesn't matter where it is. It could be any point. I'm going to make these coincident, and it looks good. Done. Again, you don't have to have the summary information in here, but I'm going to save as Buchler M Big Rivet. There's multiple rivets here, so big rivet. Done. And from a fully defined sketch, I'm going to do features, revolve. There's multiple lines in there, so I need to select for the axis of revolution this middle line. Done. File, save. And that's it for this one.